Hello guys and welcome to a new video, and today I will be fixing, or at least trying to fix, this cracked wheel arch liner, and I will try welding plastics for the first time. And for that I will use some washers that I found and a soldering iron which I bended right over here. So I put the wheel arch liner on 2 cases of beer, and I will use a soldering iron to hold it a little bit in place, and then I will try to use the washers to weld it into the plastic itself. So let's do it. Okay, so I hit it a little bit here and at the end right here. So now it holds, and I will now use the washers, put it somehow like this, and then weld the washer into the plastic itself. So wish me luck, and make sure that you have fresh air so you don't smell the plastic melting. So and from the other side it could be a little bit seen, but that doesn't matter. So I will get another washer and do it again. So it's the next day, and I tried pulling it a little bit and it snapped. So I will try do it one more again. So the finished product looks like this. It looks terrible, to be honest, I know. But from the other side, I melted to plastic too, but it's not that bad, I guess, and I hope. So this is for me done. Maybe I will put I have this, which is for the wheel arches, and I will use this to protect the washers from corrosion. So it's been a few days, and I tried pulling it and it snapped, but not that much as last time. But now I'm not really sure if I want to weld it again because it's painted. I might try welding it just on this side a little bit so it can be seen. So I just welded the plastics on the outside, and this is going to be on. I hope that this will stay for at least some time. And if it will snap, maybe I will put a short video of repairing it again, maybe trying new things. But for now, it's done. So thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you next time.